As of December 2025, the Tesla app lets you add up to 5 custom controls for quick access to your car's features. This simplifies interactions like adjusting climate, toggling Sentry mode, or managing charging preferences. These shortcuts are designed to make your Tesla experience more convenient and personalized. To customize your quick controls and shortcuts, start by opening the Tesla app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Controls section. This is where you'll find all the remote control options for your vehicle. In the Controls section, you'll find options to customize quick controls or shortcuts. This allows you to select up to 5 features for quick access directly from your phone. With these options, you can choose the features you want readily available, making it easier to control your Tesla remotely from your phone. In the Tesla app, navigate to the Controls section where you can customize up to 5 quick shortcuts. The app provides a comprehensive list of available options to choose from. Available options include climate control for adjusting temperature remotely, security settings for Sentry mode and auto lock, charging preferences for managing energy levels, media controls for entertainment, vehicle location for finding your car, and many other features. Select the 5 controls you use most frequently. For example, if you often adjust climate settings and check security, prioritize those. This customization optimizes your experience by putting the most important features at your fingertips. Imagine a Tesla Model Y owner in Seattle facing daily traffic congestion. This owner customizes their 5 quick controls to streamline their morning routine. The 5 controls include climate preheat, media playlist, Sentry mode, charge limit, and defog. This customization reduces their morning routine time by 50%. The app shortcut allows preheating the vehicle from bed, integrating seamlessly with a smart thermostat. To make the most of your Tesla app customization, start by prioritizing the controls you use every day. Think about your routine. Do you always check your battery level, adjust climate settings, or toggle security features? Focus on these essential functions first. Consider the time of year and your location when selecting controls. In winter, preheating your vehicle remotely can make mornings much easier. In parking lots or unfamiliar areas, Sentry mode provides security by monitoring your surroundings. Choose controls that match your current needs and environment. Arrange your controls in a logical order that makes sense for your workflow. Place frequently used features in easily accessible positions. Group related functions together, such as climate controls or security features. A well-organized setup saves time and reduces frustration. Remember that your quick controls customization is specific to each device you use, but it's automatically backed up through your Tesla Cloud account. This means if you switch phones or need to reset your app, your preferred setup will be restored from the cloud. App customization is limited to remote access features. For full vehicle customization, use the in-car menu. During software updates, sync issues may occur. Ensure stable connectivity. Check Tesla Motors Club forums for user-reported solutions and best practices. Looking ahead, Tesla's quick controls and app shortcuts are set to evolve significantly. Expect deeper integration with smart home ecosystems and AI assistants. Tesla's roadmap includes enhanced connectivity with smart home devices. Imagine your vehicle automatically communicating with your thermostat, security system, and garage door for a truly integrated experience. AI assistants will play a bigger role, offering intelligent suggestions for your quick controls. For example, during winter months, the app might automatically suggest adding a defrost control based on your location and weather data. Looking further ahead to 2027, Tesla plans to introduce unlimited custom controls through app plugins. This will give power users the ability to create highly personalized shortcuts tailored to their specific needs and routines. As Tesla continues to innovate, expect regular updates that make customizing your quick controls even more intuitive and powerful. These developments will enhance the seamless integration between your vehicle and daily life.